Encryption. What and how does it work? Encryption is essential in securing data as it can travel over the internet. By encrypting data, sensitive information is scrambled, making it unreadable to anyone who doesn't have the decryption key. For example, when you shop online or use secure websites, your data is encrypted to prevent hackers from intercepting credit card numbers, passwords, or other private informations. Strong encryption protocols such as AES and RSA are used by most secure websites today, providing an extra layer of protection for your online transactions. Up your firewall. To use firewall effectively, ensure it's enabled and configured properly. Most devices like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux systems have built-in firewall. Here's how to set it up. Number 1. Go to System Settings. Number 2. Search for Firewall or Security Settings. Number 3. Enable the firewall, then customize any rules as needed. For instance, allow or block specific applications. Number 4. Consider adding a third-party firewall if you need more advanced features. Firewall add a powerful layer of protection, helping you manage and filter traffic to protect your system. Firewall. What and how does it work? A firewall is a security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic, acting as a barrier between your network and potential threats. Firewall analyze data packets and block those deemed suspicious or harmful. They prevent malware, viruses, and other hackers from accessing your internet and personal information. Firewall come in both hardware and software and are often built into operating systems. By setting up a firewall, you reduce the risk of unwanted visitors gaining access to your computer or devices.